years, attempt has been made to put pressure on us by bringing lot of troops to the line of actual control. We have very strongly countered it. Today, many troops, thousands of troops of the Indian Army are on deployment in the line of LAC alongside the China. And we are very clear. We are there. We are strong. We are deployed. Any action we have to take as per circumstances, our armed forces will naturally be the best judge of it. But I want to say this: when it comes to national security, Modi government will never make a compromise. It can be cross-border terrorism from Pakistan. It can be pressure on the border from China. It can be terrorism we had in the past from Myanmar border before we did the land boundary agreement, even from Bangladesh. That we are very clear, for us, Bharat first, security first. There is no compromise.
सारे जो बाइडेन जी ने जो कमेंट दिए हैं जीनोफोबिया, उसके ऊपर आपका क्या रिएक्शन है?
अगर आप कृपया आज की इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स देखेंगे तो मेरा रिएक्शन उसमें है, पर आप इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स के नहीं हैं, तो इसीलिए मैं आपको अलग से मैं दे देता हूँ रिएक्शन। एक कि भारत ऐसा देश है, अगर आप पूरे दुनिया में ढूंढे ना, हम सबसे माने वी आर द मोस्ट ओपन सोसाइटी। आज तक मैंने इतना ओपन सोसाइटी, इतना प्लूरलिस्टिक सोसाइटी, इतना डाइवर्स सोसाइटी कभी देखा नहीं। तो मैं ये कहूँगा दैट वी आर एक्चुअली not xenophobic, we are the most open, most pluralistic, and in many ways here the most understanding society in the world. Secondly, there was some talk about economic performance. आप जानते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ जो है जीडीपी जो है 7% पर। आप दूसरे लोगों का जीडीपी चेक करिए, ग्रोथ रेट चेक करिए, और आपको उसमें आंसर मिल जाएगा।
Sir, my name is Jankar Kumar Sahu. I am representing Asian Age and Deccan Chronicle. Now, in your presentation, you took a term Asmita, Bharat's Asmita, that made Bharat Vishwaguru. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is talking about Odisha's Asmita, and Prime Minister says that Odisha's Asmita is in danger. So said Home Minister Amit Shah. My question is that, do you see that Odisha's Asmita is in danger? Secondly, the Prime Minister has said that Odisha has not made the progress in the way it should have made. And do you concur it? And thirdly, the Prime Minister has asked Odisha people to vote for BJP for rapid development. What would you say? What would you like to say on this?
See, let me say, I have had the good fortune from the time when I was very young to have many friends, many fellow students from Odisha. They were the most talented, most skilled, really the best in the class, I would say. Given how, the talent of the people, given the resources of this state, the whole country has very high expectations of Odisha. Now, you know the reality out here. I don't have to tell you. I have just come on a visit. You live here. So, there is naturally disappointment that what is the expectation from Odisha? We have not seen. Now, regarding, what is the situation here? Naturally, a state which has this kind of rich heritage, culture, tradition, what is not there? If you look, some of the finest things in our history and culture is here. This is the land of Jagannath. It is the land of Lingaraj. So it is as I said, after Prime Minister had so many choices, why did he select Konark wheel as the symbol? That shows how much respect we all have for culture. Now, such a proud culture is surely capable of producing representatives and leaders in its own right, no? So that is the point we are making. That a state like this has to be led by somebody who has come grassroots up from the state. Those are the right leaders and the right future of this state.